Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chimade Educative Video channel. Friends, in this video I want to show you about this newly launched money making opportunity, Microgrid. Now, this video is all about how to make investment. It's a very short video. How to make investment. A lot of people don't know what to do. Why I'm preparing this video because I see a lot of persons who will make deposits into their account and just go to sleep. To them, I've made deposit. No, it's not the end of it. So there are two parts of investing in microgrid. Now remember, before you get to this level, you must have already signed up. You register, and when you're registering, make sure you register through a referral link, because the referral link contains a code. If you just decide to go to the system and register, you won't have the code, and without that, you won't go through. So get someone that is already part of this and join through that person. If you are new, you want to join, you can use my link to do that. Now, once you register, the next thing is to be part of this by investing. Now, how do you invest? Now, before you do that, look at this. You're going to start study all the packages. Package 1 is 1,500 naira. Package 2, 2,000. Package 3, 5,000. Package 4, 10,000. And then package 5, 20,000. Package 6 is 50,000. You see it. So, whichever package you choose, let's assume now you choose the package 4, which is 10,000. That's what you want to start with. So what do? You now, first of all, go to recharge. Yes, you don't just go to invest. You go to recharge because there's no money on your account. When you now go to recharge, just watch this. Okay. Now, remember that package 4 is 10,000. So you want to invest 10,000. But if the money you want to put here, you don't have it in its option, 1,000, this and that, you can type it under this column. You understand? But in the case where I have one, I say, okay, I want to put 10,000. I click here. I choose my rechargeable method, which is for now only Nigerian Naira. I click on recharge. Watch what I'm doing. Please pay attention. This is a two-in-one video. Now watch what is here. Having clicked on that, see what is coming up here. The system has shown me the account number to pay in the money to, the bank, which is PalmPay, and the name of the account. So I'm going to copy all of this now. Once I copy them, I will go to whether my app or anywhere I used to pay money and make this payment. The minute I'm done making this payment, under this account name, I'll come back here and type that account name I use. That my bank account name I use in making this payment. I type it here and now click on what? Submit. Once I do this, as long as you do this correctly, instantly, your account will be credited. Now, but I want to say this before I go to the investment area. If you are making payment, make sure you have your payment receipt. You know why? This is online stuff. There's a possibility of you making a payment, do all of this I ask you to do, and when you check your account, nothing is yet credited. Then you must have a payment slip to prove your points. In that case, you come back to WhatsApp, contact the group admin, and the question is, do you really make payments? It didn't reflect? Yes. Okay, can we see your receipt? In that case, you have something to share. And when you are presenting both the receipt and your registration number, which is that your phone number you use in registering. Once you do that, they look at it from their own end and credit your account. And once your account is credited, now come back to this place where you now have all these packages. Remember, you chose the fourth package, which is 10,000 naira. At that moment, very simple. You already have 10K here. Click invest now. I tell you, immediately you click invest now, the money has entered. The system will cut off the 10,000 and your investment has started. And instantly, as you see that this particular package pays you 2,005 daily, instantly you are earning, you're going to see 2,005. The following day, you're going to see, just like that, you begin to see the money dropping every single day. And that's how fantastic this system is, and that's exactly how it works. So I encourage you, if you are seeing this video for the first time, this Microgrid, a newly launched, online money-making opportunity. And like every online system or structure is a risk of its own, but you can still make money from it. So if you're ever going to join quite on time. This system was launched just yesterday, so there's still time for you can join today. And I would encourage someone waiting for 1 week, 2 weeks, and all that. Join now. Get your friends to join. make money together. Why we pray that the system will last, but you have to be very wise. And when you are investing, please, I don't say you should go and borrow. If you have 1.5, start with the one of 1.5. If you have 2,000, start with the one of 2,000. But if you think, okay, I don't want small thing, I want to start with 20K, I want to start with 50K, go ahead and do it. I wish you the best. So that's where I'm going to stop. If you are new to this channel, we do stuff like this, money making opportunity, crypto, and all that. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. Give us a thumbs up for a work done well. If you want to join, you'll see our link to join. Let's grow the team together and be there together. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.